far as the Prime Minister is concerned, he has 3 mega rallies planned for today in the state of West Bengal, and he's been also talking about certain guarantees, if you can take us through them.
Of course, we see that Prime Minister Narendra Modi, ahead of filing his nomination from Varanasi, once again, the Mandir takes a center stage.
All right, Shreya, just interrupting you, apologies there. Tausif is with us right now. Tausif, the Prime Minister has been taking on the Ram Mandir beta, saying that nobody can actually challenge the Ram Mandir verdict and Ram Navami celebrations will continue unhindered in West Bengal.
But I don't understand, why are we talking about Ram Mandir right now? We have to talk about the developments. We have to talk about those things and responsibility which Narendra Modi has failed to do so right now since 2014. Why don't you understand? Why don't the people understand? And the people are asking for the development. People are asking for the promises. People are asking for those fake promises what Narendra Modi has asked. I mean, why we are talking about again Ram Mandir, church and all. He just want to divert the things. I mean, this is so inappropriate. You're going in West Bengal, you're not talking about the developments, you're not talking about the amounts which is due for the people of West Bengal. I mean, he should talk about those things. 1 lakh crore is due from the central government. And he told about that, we have got 3,000 crores from PMC government. Where should we distribute? He should talk about that. He should talk about Sandesh Khali, what he has done with Sandesh Khali in hand.
Well, do you believe that would it be relevant, because the Prime Minister also mentioned Shahjahan Sheikh and Sandesh Khali in his today's speeches?
But why isn't he talking about that he just initiated this Sandesh Khali? And I told you before also that Sandesh Khali was a drama. It was a stage drama. The director was Suvendu Adhikari and the producer was Narendra Modi. It is as simple as that. I mean, he's making a mockery out of himself. It's very simple. He's losing his ground. He's losing his seats. And I'm telling you, maybe BJP crosses 5 seats in West Bengal. I'll be very surprised.
Well, that would be on the 4th of June that we'll come to know about that, Tausif. Thank you very much for your point of view. As far as today's election speech is concerned in Barakpur, of course, we are looking at Prime Minister also addressing his next round of election speech in Hooghly. This is what he had to say today.
जब तक मोदी है, राम नवमी मनाने से, भगवान राम की पूजा से कोई आपको रोक नहीं पाएगा। जब तक मोदी है, राम मंदिर पर सुप्रीम कोर्ट का जो फैसला है, उस फैसले को कोई पलट नहीं पाएगा।
Right, Shreya, because we are talking about the Prime Minister. He has big rallies planned today in the state of West Bengal. Ram Mandir has been one of the topics that every time he raises it and gets a response there from the people, especially when it comes to Ram Navami celebrations and processions taken out in West Bengal.
Of course, we have seen that there has been certain violence taking place during Ram Navami celebrations in West Bengal. So Prime Minister Modi, while addressing a rally in Barakpur, does give a very strong message. He says that so long the Prime Minister is in power, nobody can stop the Ram Navami celebration in West Bengal. Remember, it has become a point of sentiment for the people of West Bengal, because earlier also we have seen some kind of violence in Howrah and Hooghly. Now, Prime Minister gives a very strong message that Ram Navami celebration in West Bengal is to continue. He also says that nobody can alter the verdict on the Ram Mandir. Now, we know that before some days, our Congress leader have spoke about the Suddhikaran of Ram Temple. Now, amid these controversies, we see Prime Minister Modi gives a very clear message to the India Alliance leaders, saying that as far as the Prime Minister is in power, nobody can alter the verdict of the Ram Mandir, and the Ram Navami celebration is to continue in Bengal.